Hey guys, it's Ryan Smith. Thank you for checking out this video. I've got my Weber kettle fired up. We're going to cook some barbecue chicken and some ranch potatoes and grill some corn, and also a quick channel update. So if you can see, we've got some potatoes cut up here, just some little mixed. You can use whatever kind you want. We had these in the kitchen already, and I'm going to put a little bit of butter in these. And I'm also going to use a pack of ranch dressing mix. You can see that. I'll probably just use about half a pack in this, because this is just a small amount. It's just enough for me and my wife. I'll go ahead and put these on and just let them cook indirectly. Next, I've got some sweet corn, and just going to put a little butter in this. Try to put a little on each one. And I'm going to season this with just a little bit of this Larry's garlic salt and a little black pepper. I've got about 4 chicken breasts here, and just doing a very simple recipe. I'm going to use a little of this Larry's garlic salt on them. You want to put it on both sides too. And then we'll put some pepper on there. I'll turn these over and do the other side. And I've got some barbecue sauce in the house I didn't bring out. I'll have to go get it. And when these get a little closer to being done, I'll just brush a little of that on and let it set up. These are ready to put on the grill. I moved the corn and potatoes over to the side with the charcoal. Give those just a little bit of heat. I'll probably move them back here in a few minutes. Don't want to burn them. Then turn these and brush some sauce on the other side. Wish y'all could smell this. It's very simple, not many ingredients, but that's the way I like to cook sometimes. Just makes things a lot easier. Especially after a busy day, you can throw together a pretty good meal sometimes with just a handful of ingredients. Alright, I'll put the lid back on here. Hope y'all can see that pretty good. Flipping these, keep them from burning. Smelling good, y'all. Hey guys, I wanted to give you a little bit of an update on the channel. If you're one of my subscribers, you know this is the first video that I've posted in a while. My wife and I have just had a lot of things going on in this last year, and unfortunately had to take a little break from posting videos, but the plan is going forward to start trying to post pretty regular. Probably do some things just a little bit different than I have in the past. I'm going to do a lot of grilling and barbecue videos. Plan on doing some kitchen cooks. Just want to use this channel as kind of an outlet to share with you some of the things that I'm passionate about in life. And I'd like for you to leave a comment and let me know what kind of things you might want to see and what you think about this particular video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and interact with me. If you got any questions, just post those in the comments below. Sometimes it takes a little while, but I eventually do get around to reading all of those. But again, I appreciate you checking out this video, and I would appreciate if you'd hit the subscribe button and check out some more of my videos. God bless you.